So in this video, I will be using Lucid chart. You can search it on your web browser, or you can also download it in your App Store or Play Store. So I have mine installed already. So here we will be having a use case about publish a short story. So here in the sidebar, side navigation, you can see the flowchart, standard. Here are the shapes. Here, standard, and then the UML use case, which very useful in creating a use case. So here you can also customize which kind of extension you would like to use in your diagram. So there are a lot of categories in this one. So here I created a mistake while I was doing this. So I did not know there was already an actor in the category for UML diagram in the side navigation. So I just downloaded a PNG of a stickman. So yes, and then I duplicated it. So first is I put the actor, and then the actors are it can be a person or a organization that can be used for interacting in the use case. So it can be a noun. So as you can see, that one is for an organization, which is the publishing house that is being part of this use case. So I'm just adjusting it. So I'm dragging it and then resizing it. So Lucid chart is very convenient to use, and then it's very user friendly. And then here we're gonna put a text. So we're gonna name the actor. So in this use case we have 7 actors. So we have here the writer, and then adjusting the font to make it more then next is the proofreader. So we're just is the agent. So I'm just gonna edit. So I did put the actors in here. So it is now complete. We have the writer, proofreader, the agent, the distributor, the editor, publishing house, and then the did I miss anything? So next is so here this is the actors. We have here the writer, proofreader, editor, agent, publishing house, distributor, and the bookseller. So all in all, there are all 7 actors in this use case. So next is we're gonna put the main success scenario for this one. So I'm just gonna put an oval for the flow of the use case. So I'm just gonna duplicate it so it would be much easier. And then these are the main flow or the main success scenario. So we have here a writer drafts a short story, and then the proof, and then reviews short story, and the next is suggest changes to the story, and then incorporate edits or revisions, then sells short story, and then packages the story, and then delivers the story to the consumers. So that is the flow right there. And then next is we're gonna connect them. So that is called system boundary. So it defines the scope of the system will be, and a system cannot have an infinite functionality. So when we connect them, it will be called relationship. So in use cases, there are different kinds of relationship. So I will explain that later on. So we have to connect it first, like that. So this is what it looks like after you connect the relationship from the system boundary. So I haven't yet put the publishing house yet because there will be a different one for that. So next is we're gonna add another another use case, and that would be for the kind of relationships, the different kinds of relationships. So there are different kinds. We have include and then extend. So in this use case, we'll be using extend. It is actually a use case in which it conditionally adds steps to another first class use case. So we're gonna put like that. We're gonna put the text, duplicate, so it will be much easier, and then just like that. So this is what so I'm just gonna finish the rest of it. So this is So I'm gonna finish the rest of this. So I will show you the result, the complete details. So this is it. So this is how a use case would be look like. So this is the publish a short story. So these are the details. So here, this will be about let's just move backward a bit. So these are all the details. So here, as you can see, the writer drafts a short story, but then if the writer does not meet the deadline, the editor can either extend or cancel the project. And then I have put here an extend relationship, and in that extend relationship I put the conditional statement in there. And the next is proofreading. Proofreader reviews a short story, and the next is editor suggests changes to the story. And then when the editor does not like the direction of the story, they will make major revisions to it. And the next is the writer incorporates edits, and the next is the agent contacts publishing houses and sells short story. And then in this, agent was not able to success in selling the story, so they will try to alternate publishing channel. So I put there I put there the conditional statement for it, and then the rest also. So this is how it would be. So this is how it should be look like. So I hope you learned something, and hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.